In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an arrow in Photoshop quickly and easily using the line tool. This is a super useful trick whether you're creating tutorials, highlighting parts of an image, or adding clean callouts to your designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to draw a straight arrow, customize the arrowhead, and adjust the thickness so it looks exactly the way you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and make sure you have your project ready. If you already have an image or blank canvas open, you're good to go. To create your arrow, go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click and hold on the rectangle tool, which is usually the shape tool group, and from the drop-down, select the line tool. This is the fastest and cleanest way to make a straight arrow in Photoshop. Once the line tool is selected, look up at the top options bar. This is where you'll find the settings that control how your arrow looks. Find the gear or settings icon near the alignment options and click it. When the settings window opens, you'll see the arrowhead section. This is the key part of the process. Here, check the box for end that tells Photoshop to place the arrowhead at the end of your line, exactly where you stop dragging. If you want the arrow to point in the opposite direction, you can change the arrowhead placement later, but for most cases, using end is perfect. You can also adjust the width and length percentages to make the arrowhead look sharper, narrower, wider, or more bold depending on your design. Next, go back to the top options bar and adjust the weight field. This controls how thick your arrow line will be. For a bold, easy-to-see arrow, you might choose 10 pixels or even 20 pixels. For a cleaner and more minimal look, you can use a thinner line. The great thing about Photoshop is that you can customize this based on the style of your project. Now comes the fun part. Click and drag on your canvas to draw the arrow. As you drag, Photoshop will create the line with the arrowhead at the end. Release your mouse when the arrow reaches the desired length. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can adjust the line thickness, arrowhead size, and proportions until it matches your design perfectly. If you want the arrow to point more naturally at something in your image, zoom in and place it carefully. Straight arrows are especially helpful for labeling, pointing, and guiding the viewer's eye toward a specific subject. This technique works great for thumbnails, social media graphics, presentations, and all kinds of Photoshop projects. One quick tip: if you're making multiple arrows, keep the same settings consistent so your design looks polished and professional. Matching the weight and arrowhead size across all arrows can make a big difference in the final result. And if you ever need to change the look later, just select the line again and tweak the settings in the top bar. So that's how to make an arrow in Photoshop using the line tool. It's fast, flexible, and one of the easiest ways to create straight arrows with a custom look. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.